Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this large umbrella by Parasol by Frost. 10 ribs, storm resistance. It's an automatic open and close golf umbrella. For outdoor, you have an UV protection too. It's a falling parasol. A pocket umbrella, UPF 50. It's a carabiner handle for man, woman, and so on. And it's available in beige, in blue, in gray, and in black. Here it is like a soft white. The new award-winning handle design means the handle features a unique creative buckle design. This design has not only received many awards, but also has a technical patent. We can easily hang it on our handbag, backpack, belt, or bus, and the armrest of the subway. We can also easily hang it on the wall hug when we get home. And with 49-inch large umbrella, because the large size can cover a diameter range of 106 centimeters. The ability to accommodate 2 people at the same time is a perfect companion for outdoor activities. Camping, tourism, fishing, golf, hiking, commuting in school. This size is almost the pinnacle of folding umbrellas. It is a compact and portable, but also protects our friends and family in every way. We have a triple rib design structure with 10 times 3 ribs. A total of 30 fiberglass umbrella bones complete the umbrella. The main skeleton is made of synthetic steel, which is not easy to corrode, and rust and is lighter. It is strong, wind and waterproof and durable. It is recommended to store it at home, at the company, at a car, or in a backpack. And we have a double protection with a Teflon-coated umbrella. This umbrella repels water effectively. This allows a quick drying experience and minimizes the hassle of storage after use. With the Teflon coating of this UV protective umbrella, it effectively blocks the 99 UV Parasol outdoors. No matter what the weather is, be prepared and added to our list of essential travel essentials. And the big thing is a one-handed push of a button. That means this umbrella will automatically open in only a second. We don't have to deal with closing our umbrella when entering the car, building, or tent. No, we no longer have to wait for umbrellas to open or close while we are soaked in the rain with this umbrella. It's so cool because it's so automatically. They are a company with decades of umbrella manufacturing experience and supply the products to customers like us in more than 100 countries every year. They make every umbrella with a pathing and a passion and hope to protect every customer from wind and air, rain. And it's waterproof and it's UV prevention. Easy to use, easy to place, easy to carry. We have a double protection coating and a good umbrella here. This is the Parasol by Frost large umbrella with 10 ribs. It's storm resistant, automatic open and close function. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. 再见。